Good afternoon, students. Today we learn EVS Part 1, Lesson number 7, Topic Food and Nutrition. Students, have a look at this picture. You can see a boy playing with the football. Here is a boy is sitting down. Compare this picture. In this picture, a boy playing a football and a boy who is sitting aside. Can you find something different from them? Yes, you are right. The boy playing football is very energetic. Where is the other boy? Looks very lazy and tired too. But why is it so? It is because the energetic boy is healthy as he might be having his food properly and doing his regular exercises. Whereas the other boy looks very weak as he might be skipping his food or as might be junk food eaten. Food gives us energy and help us to grow. If we do not eat enough proper food, we become weak and unhealthy. Then we are not able to do work. Tina, little girl has question in mind that why do we need food? Student, previous slide we seen that what is the importance of food and why do we need it. Let us say about the Tina. We need food to grow and to get energy. Simran is also having question that what is diet? Let us tell her what it means. Simran and Ria are friends. They love to eat junk food. But do these food stuff help you to grow and stay healthy? No. We should have different food stuff in our daily life. Diet means the food consumed by a person daily. Here we have a plate of food. It is balanced diet. The food plate consists of rice, chapati, dal, curd, vegetables and papad. This variety of foodstuff is called as balanced diet. A diet which contains these types of food possessing nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water in a proportion to mean required to our body is called a balanced diet. What is staple food? Staple food are food items that can be stored easily and eaten throughout the year. The term staple means the common basis of the everyday diet in a place. Some examples of staple foods are wheat, rice, jowar, bajra, etc. Students, this is the things of our daily diet. Without this, our food won't be completed. Student, you might have come across some of these things in your home. It's so different main foodstuffs. Let's see what different things we get from them. Milk, chicken, eggs. We get milk, chicken, eggs from animals. Safflower, sesame, groundnuts. We get oil from safflower, sesame, groundnuts, etc. Lemon, raw mango, tamarind. We use lemon, raw mango and tamarind to add sour taste to our food. Cloves, black pepper. We use cloves, black pepper as spices in our food. Jaggery and sugar to make the food sweet we add jaggery and sugar. Cucumber, radish, we use cucumber, radish as salads. Jawar, bajra, wheat, we get flour from jawar, bajra, wheat to make chapatis or bhakris. Variety in foodstuffs. There are differences in people's likes and dislikes. We tend to eat the items we like again and again and avoid eating those which we don't like. Students, your favorite items you love to eat again and again, but the things, all the foodstuffs which you do not like, you avoiding eating those foods. The most important thing is to ensure that the food related needs of our body are all being met. Students, whether you like the foodstuffs or not, you should eat in a smaller quantity so that whether is the requirement of the body is it is all the met and you make healthy and fit and fine. Students, we eat food to grow and to get energy, but how do we get this energy? Yes, it is obtained from the constituents in the food, but how does the constituents of food help us? Food constituents give strength to our body to work properly and takes care of the functions like respirations and digestions which takes place inside the body even when we are at the rest. You can see a small baby growing it over here, young child. How it is happening? It is happening because of the food that you are eating in a proper way. Students, the dress which you wore in first standard, will it fit you in fourth standard too? No. This is shows that the constituents in our food help us to grow. Oh, this is the little boy who has got hurt on his knee. This is one has got cut on his thumb. Students, food constituents help to repair or heal the wear and tear of our body. Wear and tear means the cuts, wounds, injuries on the body parts. But it get cure on its own. How does it happens? It happens because of the food constituents that we have in our body. Where and tell me the cuts and injuries on the body parts. Students, these constituents provide nourishment to the body and create energy stored in the body. The constituents makes bone strong and give strength to fight against diseases. For all the functions to go on smoothly, we need to drink plenty of water. You can drink water when you need it because water perform better performance in our body. Student, let's summarize what we learned in today's video. Food give us energy and help us to grow. Diet means food consumed by a person daily. Food that we eat more than the others is called as staple food. Food provides nourishment to the body, makes bones strong and help us to fight against diseases. Water helps us in smooth functioning of entire body. Okay, this is the half part of the lesson. Thank you.